Part of the power of Autocad lies in the ability to accomplish the same task in many different ways. For example, to draw a line. I'm going to show you 3 different ways of doing it, and you are going to practice them, or my hope is that you practice them, and use the one that is most suitable for you. As I probably have mentioned before, you're going to be developing your own style, but the only way to do that is by exploring the options available to you. Method 1, I can click on the line icon, which is found in the Draw toolbar. Simply go over here to the icon that shows a line. If I keep my cursor over that for just a moment, it does tell me that the command is the line command. What I'm going to do now is click on that icon. When I click on it, you can see at the command line, it typed in the text line followed by the prompt specify first point. I'm going to pick a point on the screen anywhere. When I do that, I'm going to move the cursor. You see, this is what is called the rubber banding effect. What's happening now, if we look at the command line, it is requesting to specify the next point, which I will now click over in the lower right hand corner. Again, the command line requests to specify the next point, and I can continue to draw lines by simply clicking on the screen. When I am done with this task, with this command, I'm going to right click and select enter. That is how you terminate the draw command. Method number 2, I can go up to the draw pull down menu, select line. When I do that, as you can see, the command line is still doing the same thing as if I had selected the icon. Again, I can select points on the screen and simply draw lines. And when I have completed this, I can right click and I can select enter to terminate the command, or I can select cancel. Terminates that command, and it's waiting for additional input. Finally, I can also type the command in. I know I'd like to draw a line. I can simply type line, or there is a shortcut that exists. I type L and enter. L is the shortcut for line. And as you can see, specifying first point, again it requests the same information, and I can continue to draw lines. Since I'm talking about the keyboard commands, I'd like to point out that to terminate the command, I can hit the enter key, or I can hit the escape key. Terminates that command. Any method you use is fine, and any combination. For example, I can select the line icon, draw one line, and then just use the enter key on the keyboard to terminate that. Give it a try, and again, you'll find something that is comfortable for you. Everybody is a little bit different.